Coverage of CES is sponsored by us. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe for more coverage on CES 2026.
All right, finally made my way back here, and I am just beat. My feet, I can't feel my feet right now. I've been walking for. My watch says, "Have you been stolen? You're breaking new records," and this is not you, Frank. You're walking too much. Well, that's what happens when you come to CES. And today we're going to bring you guys into a little more insight about computers and more about casings, more about everything else. So we're in the South Hall right now, and we just bumped into another little treasure hunt, all right? And I'm in the lookout for something unique, something different, something new to the table. And this is probably one of them, because anything eye-catching for me, I stop and I talk and interview and do the stuff I need to do for you guys, so you guys can see. But today we're gonna take a look at something that caught my eye. Yes, I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. We're gonna talk a little bit more about their products and their lineup and see if we could get an interview or two or so. But let's go ahead and take a look at this new, well, not new, but let's go take their booth. All right. First thing, I came in and I passed through here. I saw the LCD display with the CPU and the GPU, power button. Look at this. Now, that's kind of like a little unique style I haven't seen, but monitors, LCD screens and stuff like that. But this is pretty good. So I like it. It's right on the front. You don't need to. Now, I like the whole case itself too. It reminds me of, well, mostly a lot of them look like this. They have the mesh, they have the setups. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fans. And if you can add one more on the top, you can do that too. Look at that. Perfect for your radiators. And let's take a look at another model. This is a different one right here. This one has less fans in here. It doesn't have the display port. It does have the buttons on the bottom. You guys can see that. So I'm not sure about the model. We're going to ask questions on this. See how it goes. But this is one eye-catching. Ooh, look at this little one. Now they do have the 12-pin connection in here on this one, all right? It's an ASF power supply, small petite format. This is about, it says 850 watts on this one. Wow. So I do have one of these, and it's a 650, but this one, it's a gold. All right, so really good for those that are building small petite machines. This is probably it for you guys. We don't know the price yet. We're gonna find out if they give us any prices on this stuff. But if you're building your next ITX machine, you might want to need one of these. All right, so let's keep moving. LED light on this one on the bottom. This is an ITX one. But you can fit an ATI. See the front of it. Look at that.
Su punto de latina, es que mexicana, venezolana. No sé si tiene la palabra que muy de rock. No, ella, la española no van a buscar un nombre. Como yo soy, si quieres tú y yo te